At number 1, we have the Kaiti Sensu Turkey Roasting Pan. This heavy-duty pan is built for success. Its premium material and U-shaped rack ensure even heat distribution for a juicy, perfectly cooked turkey every time. But it's not just for turkey. Its generous size is perfect for all your roasts, chickens, and even multiple side dishes, simplifying big batch cooking. And the best part? Cleanup is a breeze. The non-stick surface is even dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time with family. This holiday season, become the host with the most. The Kaiti Sensu Turkey Roasting Pan is the must-have tool for creating unforgettable, professional quality feasts at home.
At number 2, we have the KitchenArt Select-A-Spice Auto Measure. This clever system automatically dispenses a precise 1/4 teaspoon with a simple click. No more guesswork, spoons, or messy spills. It keeps your spices fresh, accessible, and your counters beautifully organized. The modular design stacks or mounts on walls, perfect for any kitchen layout. Speed up prep, reduce waste, and simplify your life. This is the ultimate upgrade for any home cook.
At number 3, we have the 7-Code Large Dish Drying Rack. Tired of a messy sink? This spacious, multi-tiered rack is the ultimate solution for organizing your entire wash load. Its expandable design provides ample space for plates, bowls, glasses, pots, and cutlery, all in one place. The innovative 360-degree rotating spout ensures water drains directly into the sink, keeping your counter dry and clean. Built with a durable, rust-resistant metal frame, it's designed to last while complementing any modern kitchen. Simplify your life and improve your daily workflow. The 7-Code Dish Drying Rack, the practical best-selling kitchen essential.
At number 4, we have the Hiware Bamboo Cutting Board. Crafted from sustainably sourced, premium quality natural bamboo, it's eco-friendly and built to last. A deep juice groove catches liquids from meats and fruits, keeping your counter clean. It's gentle on your knife blades, yet extremely durable. The stylish, reversible design offers 2 usable sides, perfect for all your slicing and dicing, and when the prep is done, it's excellent for serving. The Hiware Bamboo Cutting Board. Stay healthy. Stay happy.
At number 5, we have the Kitchen Mama Can Opener. Tired of can openers that are a pain to use? The struggle is real, especially for seniors and those with arthritis. Say hello to the fingertip launch feature. One simple touch is all it takes. Just place it on the can and watch the magic happen. It does all the work for you with an auto shutoff. The result? A perfect, smooth edge that's completely finger safe. No more sharp rims. From petite to jumbo cans, it opens them all. And it's compact, rechargeable, and easy to store. Simplify your kitchen, savor your food, and celebrate the convenience. This is the Kitchen Mama Can Opener.
At number 6, we have the La Revose Smoothie Blender. This powerful personal blender is your secret weapon for silky smooth smoothies, protein shakes, and nutrient-packed drinks. Its high-speed motor and sharp stainless steel blades crush ice, frozen fruits, leafy greens, and nuts with ease. Unleash your creativity. From fresh juice and baby food to smoothies and even jam, the possibilities are endless. With multiple travel cups and lids, your healthy drink is ready to hit the road with you. Convenience has never been this easy. And the best part? The dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. The La Revose Smoothie Blender. Upgrade your daily routine and blend your way to a healthier you.
At number 7, we have the Enleber Vegetable Chopper Slicer Pro. Tired of tedious prep work? This 11-in-1 tool dices, slices, and juliennes with professional precision. It's a game changer with its sharp...
At number 8, we have the Doreen Rack Universal Knife Block Holder. The ultimate kitchen organization solution is finally here. Say goodbye to clutter. Its large capacity and multifunction design holds everything from your knives and cutting board to all your essential utensils. And it's designed to keep your gear dry. The innovative breathable design allows for maximum ventilation, preventing water buildup. Cleanup is a breeze with the removable drain tray. Plus, it's built to last with premium stainless steel and food-grade materials. Upgrade your kitchen with the Doreen rack. Stylish, durable, and incredibly practical. Bring a more tasteful life to your home.
At number 9, we have the Moss & Stone electric skillet. Say goodbye to hot spots. Its 1,200 W power delivers edge-to-edge heating for perfect, even cooking every single time. It's the one pan for every meal. From breakfast to stir fries to a full dinner, this skillet does it all. And the best part? Nothing sticks. Cleanup is as easy as a quick wipe. More time for you, less time scrubbing. With its portable design and durable build, it's perfect for dorms, apartments, or a holiday feast. The Moss & Stone electric skillet, your new kitchen hero.
At number 10, we have the Ambillion Kitchen Compost Bin. Install it in seconds. Choose the over-cabinet hook or the adhesive mount for total flexibility. It tucks neatly out of the way, keeping your counters clear and your kitchen looking sharp. With 2 lid options, it seals tightly to lock in odors, so your kitchen stays fresh. Its sleek design is so versatile, it looks great in any room of the house. The Ambillion Compost Bin, the stylish, simple, and eco-friendly choice for your home. At number 11, we have the Phil-Touch Cupcakes Dispenser. This game-changing tool ensures perfectly portioned batter for cupcakes, muffins, pancakes, and more with minimal mess. Its easy squeeze trigger allows precise control, filling multiple liners quickly and evenly. Made from durable food-grade materials, it's great for beginners and experienced bakers alike, delivering consistent results for any occasion. Save time and reduce waste. The Phil-Touch Cupcakes Dispenser is the smart, best-selling accessory for effortless baking.
At number 12, we have the Dowtime 5-tier coffee bar station. The Dowtime 5-tier coffee bar station is an organized, space-maximizing solution for coffee enthusiasts. With multiple shelves and compartments, it neatly stores pods, mugs, syrups, creamers, and machines while keeping everything easily accessible. Its sturdy, stylish design complements any kitchen or office decor, turning a simple coffee area into a functional and attractive station. Easy to assemble and durable for daily use, this organizer reduces clutter and enhances morning routines. Perfect for homes, offices, or anyone building the ultimate coffee setup on a budget.